What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree. Thank you guys for watching. This video is going to be about how I do my everyday makeup. It's a full makeup tutorial. My brows are already going to be done because I already posted a video of an eyebrow tutorial. So if you guys want to see that, that'll be left in the description bar. And also, I'm going to go ahead and ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you will know when I post a new video. Let's go ahead and get started. So I've already washed and moisturized my face. So the first thing I do before I put my makeup is put on my primer. And today I'm going to be using e.l.f. poreless primer. I use about 2 squirts. And go ahead and rub that in the face. Alright, the next thing, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to set my smile lines with a little bit of setting powder. So I'm going to go ahead and go with my HD Flawless Absolute New York setting powder in the color Banana. And I'm going to do just a little bit, very little. Tap off the excess and poke that right into my smile lines. I'm kind of pushing it in. And this brush I'm using, guys, it came from Amazon. It's nothing expensive. You can search different brushes on Amazon. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty in the shade 400. Now I'm going ahead and warn you guys, when I put this on my face, it's going to look a little orange, but I assure you, it dries down a different color. That's one thing about this foundation is when you first put it on your skin, you're going to get a different color after it dries down. So when you're in Sephora or wherever you're buying your makeup from, let it dry down first to see its true color. So when I first put it on, y'all going to say, dang, you look orange, girl, but I'm not really orange. It's just the makeup has to set. So I'm going to go ahead and go with my brush. This brush is by Daisy. I'm going with almost a full pump, not all the way. And I'm going to just work on the right side of my face first. Guys, you want to bring that foundation all the way to the hairline. You don't want to stop it. You don't want it to look like a mess. You want to go ahead and get the whole face. Gonna do another pump for the other side. And we're going to do some pumps ever so small on our jawline. This is just a part of blending, guys. You don't want your makeup to just stop at your chin. We're going to go ahead and blend it down the jawline to the nape. This gives it a more natural appearance. You don't want people to there saying, no, you got on a full face of makeup. You want it to look natural. Guys, now we're going to do the forehead. Just a small pump on the forehead. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty concealer. This is in the shade 380. If you guys are familiar with Fenty concealers, they have their match to your concealer is also your foundation match. My foundation match is 400, but I use a 380 concealer because I prefer a lighter highlight, if you guys know what I mean. So show you guys what this looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the applicator bottle. Put a line here, a line here. Go ahead and bring it up to my nose. Turn the applicator around, do the same thing on this side. Go back in my bottle, go ahead and hit that lip, chin, down the center of the nose, and our forehead. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a sponge and I'm going to wet it up with my NYX setting spray. This is a matte finish setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and wet up my sponge because you want your sponge to be damp. And I'm going to go ahead and start blending in on the chin. And you're just going to use patted motions, guys. Blend it in very well. I like to do my under eye last because you want to go ahead and set the under eye fast. Like right after you blend out the under eye, you want to go ahead and set it with your powder because you don't want it to crease up on you. So I'll go ahead and do my chin and my lip, nose and forehead first, and then I'll do the eyes last. So right after I finish the eyes, I can go ahead and get it with my setting powder. And every time I do my makeup, I like to have my mirror that's far away from me, like my full length mirror, and also a close mirror, so I can actually see what I'm doing, make sure I'm blending as well as necessary. Because blending is your best friend. You can never blend enough. So I'm going to go ahead and go on with the other eye. Start by the side of the nose. Work my way under the eye. You want to look up and blend underneath the eye. And you don't have to drag your concealer all the way down. Just keep patting in the same spot and it'll blend out. I'm going to go ahead and take mine up to my hairline because we're going to clean it up later when we go on with our contour powder. So you just want to blend out the bottom. Make it look nice and seamless. Go ahead and put some on that lid just to blend it out. Alright guys, so I'm going with a little bit more concealer. I'm going to put it right underneath, like these circles under my eyes. Because what I've learned in concealer is all about shadows. So if you can put brightening underneath the shadows, it'll bring away attention from those shadows, therefore not making your eyes look sunken in. And not giving me that baggy appearance. So go ahead and blend that out. Just under. Bring it on up to the under eye. For a little extra coverage. Alright, now I'm going to go into that same setting powder I had earlier, the HD Flawless by Absolute New York in the shade Banana. You're going to put some on the same sponge I was using to blend it out with. Blow it off. You don't need a whole lot. I don't bake anymore because they make my under eye very dry. So I just go ahead and pat it right into the skin. And you're going to put that powder everywhere you put concealer. So I'm going a little more powder for my nose, my forehead, my lip, and my chin. So now guys, we're going to go ahead and go in with our contour. This one is by Ruby Kiss. I know it looks a little beat up, but I use it all the time. This is my favorite contour powder. It's Ruby Kiss 3D Contour Artist. And this is the color I like to go in with. The color that's missing, I actually dropped the palette and it broke out, but I didn't use that color anyway. I'm going to go with this color right here. contour. I'm gonna piss on my brush, tap off, and you can squeeze in your cheeks like that to find out where your jawline is. I kind of know where mine is already because I do this all the time, but I just like to go in and put a line just like that. And I'm gonna blend it out later. I'm going to go under the chin. What this does right here is to help cover up that double chin I have created. So go ahead and help mask that. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna go in and blend later, so don't worry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the forehead. Go ahead and put it right on that baby hair, girl. Don't be scared. Hope you did your baby hair already before you start doing your makeup, because you always want to do your baby hair first, because if you don't, your makeup's gonna get ruined if you try to put gel or edge control or whatever you use on your baby hair after your makeup is already done. Alright, so then I go in with this another daisy brush and go ahead and blend that out. Use circles. Like I said, guys, you can never blend too much. You don't want any harsh lines. So just go ahead and blend it on out. How you guys like my hair? How you guys think it's holding up? I think I'm on this is day 4 here. And I'll probably put it in a high puff soon. And I'll give you guys a tutorial on my high puff too. Alright, so now that I got that blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color right here. It has a little bit more red undertones. So I'm going with the same brush I'm using to blend and just put some on my forehead, just to give myself a little more warmth in my face. And you don't have to be too strategic with this. Just put it on the face, girl. Just to give you a little more color. You don't want to look washed out from all that highlight we use. I would just go ahead and use that angled brush that we used earlier when we were doing our contour. Just use whatever residue is left. Use the back of that brush and just drag it up your nose ever so slightly. Probably gonna need a mirror to do that. You don't want to mess it up. Go ahead and take one of these small brushes I got from Amazon. Blend that out. Don't want the lines too harsh, so blend it out. Alright guys, so next, my favorite part is the glow, the highlight, the sparkles, the shimmer. This one I'm going to go in is also by Ruby Kisses. If you haven't noticed yet, that's one of my favorite beauty supply store products. You can find them in most of your local beauty supply stores. This one is called Ruby Kisses All Over Glow Bronzing Powder. It does say bronzing powder, but honey, I get serious glow with this one. It's more of a pinky shade. I'm going with the gold after. Just like I said, this is my everyday. This is what I always do. So I'm going to use one of my fan brushes. I believe this one is by Ruby Kiss too, but the name of it rubbed off because I use it so much. Don't come for me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the top of my cheeks. Notice how I'm going in a diagonal motion. I'm not going right on the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going in a diagonal motion. Bring it all the way up to the hairline. Alright, now we're going to do the nose. Just the tip of the nose. And then we'll do the bridge of the nose. And then I like to do my cupid's bow and the top of my lip. I just think it looks so pretty. Little dash on the forehead, little dash on the chin. Alright. Then I go in with my Maybelline NY Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. Looks like this. They have 2 different shades, I believe. This is the darker of the 2. And it's a little, it has a little bit more gold undertone, so I'll go ahead and put that right on top of the pink. Everywhere you put the pink highlight, you're gonna put the gold. And guys, you don't have to go in with this much highlight. I just like to be shiny. I'm extra, can't help it. Alright, I'm gonna keep that open. And I'm gonna go on one of my other Ruby Kiss brushes. It's a small eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna dip that into that shimmery powder by Maybelline and put that right in the inner corner of my eye. And if you guys know me, you know I'm not a big eyeshadow girl. I usually just put some powder, contour powder right on my lid. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go with that same shade I use to contour and put that right on the lid. Not a lot. Just give it a little color. Told y'all this is going to be simple. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder, Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Hazelnut. It's pretty much the color of my skin. And what I do with that one is just put it on all the places of my face that didn't get set. So just put just a little bit on your brush. Tap off the excess. Blow it. And just put that in the places of your face. Bring all of everything together. Don't need a whole lot. Again, tap off the excess. Blow it. Notice I'm not putting it under my under eye highlight because I don't want to lose that color. This setting powder is like pretty much the color of my skin, so I don't want to lose that. Alright, last up guys is to finish it off with some setting spray. I'm using my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Go ahead and spray it all over the face. Alright guys, I'm gonna let that dry down. I'm going to put my lashes on. So I went ahead and popped on my lashes, but before I put my lashes on, I did put on some mascara. This one's by NYX. It's the black mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my bottom lashes as well. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner. This is by NYX as well. It's a bold eyeliner. I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the outer corner of my under eyelid. Stop it in the middle of my eye. Alright. And last but not least, I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to go with the Kiss New York Luxury Lip Liner. This is in the color brown. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with it. Rub it together a little bit. And then I'm going with my Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. My favorite lip gloss, y'all. And go ahead and go over top of that liner with it. And give my Cupid's bow one more shine of highlight. And that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you guys need a tutorial on how to put on your eyelashes, leave that in the comments as well, and I'll be sure to make a video for you guys. And again, if you guys want to know how to do your eyebrows, I've already done a video on how I do my eyebrows, so that video will be down in the description bar so you guys can watch that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, don't forget to go ahead and like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video, and also share my video. Thank you guys so much for watching.